to rise, and tears started falling gently from tired and searching eyes. Hands were lifted through surrender, voices trembling through the sound, and every burden hidden deeply started falling to the ground. Because Jesus was among us, moving softly through the room, touching hearts that came in broken, bringing dead things back to bloom. I found rest, like healing moving through the worship. Every fearful thought around me started slowly losing power. I found rest, like light breaking through the dark, and every chain around my spirit started slowly falling apart. Your spirit changed the atmosphere. Your goodness met me here. Even when my faith felt fragile, your love remained the same. And now the tears upon my face don't feel connected to the pain, because worship became